My name is Aurora, and I will be guiding you on how to set up the environment for PHP programming on your computer using XAMPP. Let's get started. Open your web browser and search for XAMPP in the search bar. Scroll down until you see Download XAMPP Apache Friends. Click on Download XAMPP. On the website, click the download button on any version you want. Then wait for your download to start, and when it starts, wait for the download to finish. After downloading, open Windows Explorer and go where you have downloads are located, and these are usually located in the Downloads folder. Double-click on the XAMPP installer application and wait. Click OK if you are asked to allow the application to make changes. When the setup starts, click Next, again Next, then select the path where you want to install the software and click Next. Wait for the installation to finish. After the installation, open the Explorer window and locate the disk partition which contains the Windows operating system, usually C partition, and enter into that partition. Look for the htdocs folder inside the XAMPP folder. Inside the htdocs folder, create a new folder and name it My Site. Then open Virtual Studio Code, and if it is not installed, I have a video on how to install it. Just go in the description where you can find the link to the video. After opening Virtual Studio Code, click on File and click on Open Folder. Locate for the folder you created inside the XAMPP folder, which we named My Site, and then select it and click Select Folder. After opening the folder in Virtual Studio Code, press the Windows key, which has the Microsoft Windows logo, and then type XAMPP Control Panel, and then click Open. XAMPP will open up, and the click starts on Apache and MySQL respectively. After that, go back to Virtual Studio Code and create a file named index.html. And inside the file, press the exclamation mark and wait for Virtual Studio Code to bring the first suggestion and press Enter. Then, inside the body, create a paragraph and write any content you want. After doing that, open your preferred web browser and then in the search bar, type http localhost my site index.html and click Enter. Now, if you can see the paragraph you created, it means that you can now run PHP scripts as you want. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, the bell icon, liking the video, sharing, and downloading the video in order to remind yourself even when you don't have internet connection. Thank you